Today I will show you that how you can easily install VLC media player on your laptop or computer. So there are two ways to install VLC media player on your computer or laptop. The first way is to simply head over to any of your browser that you use, then simply search for VLC media player. Now you will have to click on the first website, VLC Video Lane. This is the official website of Video Lane, and you will simply have to click on download VLC, and it says thanks for downloading. It will start in a few seconds, and then you will get a pop-up to download it, and you will be able to install the setup. But I'll recommend you to follow the second and the simplest way, to simply open the Microsoft Store on your computer or laptop, and after that you will have to simply click on the search bar on the top like this, and then simply search for VLC, and you will be able to click on it, then hit free, and it's a free application without any ads, and you'll be able to install it by tapping on. Now you'll have to click on install, and it will start downloading the VLC into your computer or laptop, and you'll be able to use it completely free. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video, and if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.